afternoon, everyone. How are you all? I hope you all are doing good and your parents too. Okay, and also I hope you all following all the moral values. Welcome back again to moral class. Let's learn today's moral value from the topic of the kind bishop. Okay, today's our topic is the kind bishop. Okay, we are going to learn a new moral value from this topic through a story. Okay, many years ago, there lived a bishop. He was a kind person. One day, a thief escaped from prison and came to the bishop's house. He asked for shelter. The bishop gave him shelter and food even though he did not know who he was. The thief was in the habit of stealing. He woke up when the bishop was fast asleep. Let me take some valuable from the house and run away, the thief thought. He looked around and found two silver candlesticks. He picked up them, he hid them under his coat and ran away. The night was dark and cold, and the thief could not find a place to hide. The police, who had been looking for the thief, arrested him. They searched him and found candlesticks. They brought him to the bishop. The bishop thought that if he treated the thief kindly, he would realize his mistake. The bishop said, "My dear friend, why didn't you take the balls I gave you? Here, keep them too, along with the candlesticks." The thief was surprised to hear this. The bishop had saved him from punishment. He promised that he would never steal again and asked for pardon. From that day, he decided to become an honest man and work for a living. By forgiving him, the bishop changed a thief into an honest man. Hope you all understood the story. The bishop forgave the thief and treated him nicely, so the thief changed his mind. If anyone is hurting you, are you getting angry and revengeful? If anyone is stealing your things like that thief, are you getting angry? Or someone is beating you, are you getting angry and you are thinking to take a revenge on them? If you are thinking like that, means you can't forgive others. Today's main moral value is forgiveness. We have to forgive others. Then they can change their mindset. They can repent. So don't get anger to those who is showing something on you that is hurting you, then don't show your anger or don't take revenge on them. Okay, instead of taking anger and revenge, we have to forgive them. If anyone is beating you, definitely it will hurt you, right? So at that time, what will you do? Suddenly anger will come, right? So you will think we also need to beat that person again, right? So we should not do that. If we are doing that, means we are losing our control. We have to be controlled. We are good person, so we should not get angry. Instead of that, we need to smile at them. Then automatically the forgiveness, the moral value of forgiveness will come into us. So whenever you can, you just forgive and forget. If we forgive means only we can forget. Sometimes we will forgive, but we can't forget, right? One person will beat you, You may forget, so sorry, you may forgive that person. Okay, he did a mistake or she did a mistake, you just forgive. You didn't take a revenge, you didn't get angry. But sometimes that hurting will be in you, right? Sometimes it will hurt you again and again. You can't forget that. If you can't forget that, means it will hurt you again and again, right? So try to forget that. You have to forget that. If you forgive with the whole heart, you can forget that. Okay, and the next thing is you have to trust others. How to trust? Are you trusting your parents and teachers? Yes, definitely yes, right? If you trust your parents, means only you can live with them happily. They will take you in a high place, right? If you trust your teachers, means only you can trust all the lessons they are teaching to you, right? So trust others. Before, how to trust others? How can we trust others? So to trust others, you started to trust yourself first, okay? Trust yourself, you will start to trust others. If we have trust on us, if we have trust on us first, if you have trust on you first, then you can trust others, right? So for example, if you are doing a mistake in your school, if you are sorry to your teachers, will they forgive you or will they beat you? If you are not asking sorry, means they will get angry sometimes, right? But suddenly after you ask sorry, they will change their mind, right? So whenever you are doing mistake, you just ask sorry to others. Definitely they will forgive you. Okay. Same way, if you are doing any mistakes, means to your parents, or if you are hurting your parents, means just ask sorry to your parents also. Definitely they will forgive you and they will give a big hug and kiss to you, because our parents are the real lovers of us. Okay, so don't hurt your parents. If you made a mistake, means also you just ask sorry. Okay. Okay, what are the moral values we have learned today? Forgiveness, we have to forgive the one person who hurt you, okay? And we have to trust others. Before trusting others, we need to trust ourselves first. Then we can start trusting others. Then kindness, like a bishop, we need to be kind to others. Even the bishop don't know that person is thief or not, but he has a kind heart, so he gave shelter to that thief, right? We also be kindfulness to others. Okay, we have to be kind. Okay, my I hope you all understood today's moral class. Follow these moral values in your daily life. Do your lessons, homeworks well, and learn your lessons well. Okay, dears, bye. We'll meet in the next class. Take care. Bye bye.